First, open the CA Trade website and click Get Start to create a new account. Enter your details, including your name, email address, password, company name, and dealership location. Then click Sign Up. Open your email inbox and click the verification link to activate your account. After signing in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From here, you can start a new vehicle check, manage payments, view previous reports, and access your account settings. We need to top up the account. Choose the top-up value, continue to the SEQ Stripe checkout, and complete the payment. Enter the VRM number or WIN number, then choose the report type, and the report is ready. Access the Premium Dealer Valuation Report with 5 brand valuations and key market insights. The My Checks page stores all your completed vehicle reports in one place. Search by registration number, VIN, or report date to quickly find a report. You can also view, download, or share reports whenever you need them. Thank you.